Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. Myself Raj. We are going to start a new full stack Java online batch from 19th February and the timing is at 8 p.m. IST. And this course is for just rupees 10,000 only. About the course, in this full stack Java developer online course, the prerequisite to join this course is you should have a simple basic idea on operating systems and basic idea on software programming. And you can contact us for more details about this course in my WhatsApp number +91 93904 73579, or you can even email us at rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com. And we are starting this new batch from 19th February at 8 p.m. IST. And the content what we are going to discuss in this course is, I have divided this course in the form of modules. So totally we are going to see this course in 7 modules. Module 1 we are going to cover core Java. Module 2 database concepts using MySQL. Module 3 we go with web technologies. Module 4 advanced Java. Module 5 very important frameworks. Module 6 we go with some of the important real-time tools, and module 7 we go with a project using Spring Boot and Angular. Let me elaborate about each and every module in detail. In module 1 we go with core Java, and the contents what we discuss under this core Java is, we initially start off with programming concepts. Then we go with Java introduction, and we'll be learning how to download and install Java, how to develop a Java application at command prompt in Windows, and even we'll see how to download and install Eclipse IDE and how to develop a Java application in Eclipse IDE. Then we go with Java basics. This is the place where we increase our programming and logical skills. Here in this basics we'll discuss about the meaning of keywords, variables, data types, operators, and the control statements like if, switch, loops like while loop, do while loop, and for loop. More of programming. And in this course even we'll be giving assignments to you. The daily assignments will be given, and the class recordings, the notes, everything will be shared to you after the class. It's a regular practice. Once we complete these basics, we go with arrays, and very important one, object oriented programming, and we discuss the LAN package, a predefined package in Java. And in this LAN package we discuss some of the important classes like object class, string class, string buffer class, string builder class, math class, like this. And one more important topic, exception handling, multi-threading, collections, and some of the important features added in Java 8 version like functional interfaces, lambda expressions, stream API, and many more related to Java 8 and 9 version features. And we go with one more very important IO package, that is input output package. So these are the contents what we discuss under core Java. Then module 2, it is database concepts using MySQL. We are going to cover this database using MySQL database. Here we do with the DDL commands like create, alter, describe, truncate, drop table, DML commands like insert, update, delete, DKL commands like select command, TCL commands like commit, rollback, and save point. Then module 3, web technologies, very important. These web technologies are mainly used to display the content onto the web browser. We can even say it as UI design, user interface design, the front end design. Under this web technologies we'll be covering the topics like concepts like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Bootstrap, XML and JSON, and finally very important, Angular framework. Module 4 we go with advanced Java. We can even say Java EE Enterprise Edition, mainly used to develop web applications. And under advanced Java we go with JDBC, that is Java database connectivity. and we go with the Servlets and JSP. JSP stands for Java Server Pages. Next, very important module of our course, frameworks. And we are going to discuss the frameworks like Hibernate Framework, Spring Framework, Spring Boot and Microservices. Under Spring, we go with the Spring Core and IOC module. Under Spring Boot, we go with the Spring Boot introduction and we'll understand about Spring Boot starters. We go with Spring DAO module like Spring JDBC, Spring Data JPA module, Spring Web MVC module, Spring REST module, and even we go with microservices. We'll understand about API gateway, and we develop this microservices using Eureka server and service registry. And the next important one, module 6, real-time tools. We are going to cover some of the important real-time tools like Maven tool. We go with project Lombok. We discuss GitHub tool. We go with Log4j, JNet tool, Postman tool. These are some of the important tools what we cover in our course. And finally, module 7, we go with a project using Spring Boot and Angular. That is, the backend we develop using Spring Boot and the front end we develop by using Angular. And the duration of this course is 3 months, and you can attend first 3 classes for free. And the class recordings, notes, source codes, everything will be shared to you. And it is lifetime access. We can access this lifetime. And we are going to start this new full stack Java online batch from 19th February, and the timing is 8 PM IST. And for more details about this course, you can WhatsApp to our number +91, and the number is 93904 73579, or you can even email us at rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.